Hi, in this tutorial I will show you how to access Citrix and also to allow access to your local file and resources on your local computer. To begin, we'll launch a browser. In this case, I'm launching Internet Explorer, but you can also launch other browsers such as Firefox, Safari, and Chrome. To access our remote computing website, we can proceed to Portal on top and Remote Computing. The website would detect whether your computer already has the Citrix plugin. If not, it would detect and allow you to install from there. In this case, since I already have the Citrix Receiver plugin, it would not prompt me. The other method for accessing the Citrix website would be to type in the URL directly. You would type in remote.gc.cuny.edu. Both methods will get you here. Once we're here, we'll proceed with logging in. We would then be listing applications that we have access to. In my case, I'll have a bit more. Your screen may vary. And as an example, I will be launching Windows Explorer. Clicking on it will launch the application remotely. Your Citrix plugin would also start up, and you would receive a series of prompts. This message, the Citrix single sign-on, can simply be ignored as we are phasing it out. We'll just simply click cancel and yes. Now that the remote application has launched in Windows Explorer, the default location would be My Documents, which is really your U drive, your personal network drive. To access local resources such as files and folders on your local computer, we can click on the Computer tab. We are presented with our network drives as well as our local drive. Our network drives are S, U, and C $ is your local drive. To access your local drive, you can launch all your folders from here. Also, you would get a prompt normally if you haven't already allowed access. I will demonstrate the prompt that you would get from Citrix Receiver. We'll go into the System tray. We'll right-click on the Citrix Receiver icon, and we'll go into Online Session, Connection Center. Here we have the Session Security, which allows access to files, your local devices, and USB drives, etc. Since my last session, I allowed full access, so I did not get a prompt when accessing local files and folders on my local computer. But by default, the first time you install the Citrix Receiver plugin, it would be on Ask Permission, in which case, when you launch an application that requires access to your local drive, you will get a prompt. I will demonstrate that right now. This would be the prompt that you would get. You're able to block access to your local files and folders, which is not something you want to do. You can allow read-only access, meaning your application can read files from your computer, but they cannot save files on your local drive, or permit all access. This allows full access to your local computer drives, which is great when your remote application needs access to your local files and folders. That's what I selected, and these are my 4 files and folders on my local computer. I can give you an example. If I go to my computer, you would see that it's virtually the same files and folders. From there, you can either copy a file or folder from your local computer onto your network drive, your U drive, or vice versa. Copy a remote file from your U drive or S drive back to your local computer. This concludes the video tutorial on how to access local files and folders on your computer. Thank you for watching.